The dam is located in front of us, where you see that guard railing across the top of it. It's only 200 feet high, but it is the only earth and rock-filled dam on the Colorado River. According to longtime resident Homer Fancher, they built 5 wooden bridges across this river in order to haul material back and forth to the workers. From 1941 to 1946, they stopped construction due to the war. This was the first post-war project that the government reinstated. They completed this dam in 1953, with 5 generators online supplying hydroelectricity to the Southwest Electric Grid. They named this dam in honor of Arthur Powell Davis. He was the director of the Bureau of Reclamation from 1914 to 1932, and was one of a small group of men, along with Herbert Hoover, to spark the Colorado River Development Project. Davis Dam is located 67 miles downstream from Hoover Dam. It was built to control the water releases from Hoover Dam and the floodwaters coming out of the mountains, and to store and deliver 1.5 million acre-feet of water all the way downstream to Mexico during the Mexican Water Treaty of 1944. Davis Dam is located 88 miles upstream from Parker Dam, 72 miles upstream from the famous London Bridge in Lake Havasu, and 19 miles upstream from the California, Nevada, Arizona border. Behind Davis Dam lies Lake Mojave. Lake Mojave isn't a very large lake, having a surface area of only about 41.4 square miles, with an average depth of 75 feet. Lake Mojave is only about 4 miles across at its widest point, but it is a year-round recreation area and a natural habitat for fish and wildlife. These are the headwaters of Lake Havasu, ladies and gentlemen. Due to Homeland Security regulations, since September 11, 2001, this is as far upstream as we can go. Fishing is really good up here, especially during the summer months. The water temperature at the London Bridge gets up to almost 80 degrees, bathwater temperature. The striped bass and rainbow trout, especially the trout, don't like the warm water, so they come up here where the water is considerably cooler. The water off the bottom of the Lake Mojave, coming out of Davis Dam, never gets any warmer and never exceeds 53 degrees. The only water we get on this side of the dam is what they release for hydroelectricity.